Welcome everybody. I am your host Ali Rathor from Tekra TV. In this quick tutorial on Laravel Filament 3.2, we are going to learn how we can change the icons on the sidebar. So without wasting any time, we're just going to go to the source code, and in the app Filament resources, we are going to go and click the user resource, which is by default installed when you install Laravel Filament 3.2. Upon opening this file, you'll go to class and you'll see this hero icon by default. So all you need to do is go to a browser and open HeroIcons.com and select any icon you want. So we're just going to type in users, and you can see they have three types of different icons. I'm going to zoom in so that you guys can have a better look. Users, user plus, and user minus. I'm going to use this users one. I'm going to copy it, go back to my system to see the front logo and the source code, and hero icon -0 rectangle stack. That's where you need to change the icon. Sorry, I'm going to zoom in now to my mouse. I'm going to type in users and save. Sorry, I think the zoom was not working. Anyways, we'll go to the browser and we're going to click refresh. And after refresh, you can see where my icon is. The icon has changed. This was by default, and this is the one that we've chosen. You can change these icons for every resource that you have. And that's how you can customize the icons in Laravel Filament 3.2. Thank you for watching. This is your host Ali Rathor from Tekra TV. Do not forget to subscribe, click the bell icon, and follow for more. You can support the channel by joining our Patreon, and we'll be bringing more tutorials to you guys. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment, and more are coming. Thank you very much. Take care, and bye-bye.